Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technology, and today we are going to discuss about a tool which is used for screen recording. Okay, so without wasting our time we starting our video. So I just type Windows 11 screen recorder. Okay, I have Windows 11. Okay, and you can see at the top of my that is you must check that is it is from Microsoft. Okay, and I just click over here and it okay, so you can see this screen recorder for Windows 11 which is absolutely free. You can get it from Microsoft store. Okay, and before I'm going to okay, yeah, available on HoloLens, PC, mobile and Surface Hub. And description, it's absolutely free as I said, and you can use to record gameplay, conference, lecture, etc. And key feature, record HD video without any watermarks like earlier too. Okay, I don't want to disclose any name, you know very well. Okay, so you can unlimited recording time because nowadays in market there are some few software which is provided in trial base. There is a time limit. You can make a video or record a screen for a particular time, but here you can make unlimited video without any time limit. So okay, so talking about system requirement, so you can see the system requirement for Windows 10 version. This is mentioned, each and everything is here. Architecture, oh, it should be 64. Okay, so you can download over here. I already installed from this, and I am also making my video from this only, and you can check the voice quality. So I am making my YouTube video with this help of this screen recorder tool, and which is really like it because Microsoft provide this screen recorder with the free of cost. Okay, so you will click here and you will redirect to the Microsoft store, and you can download it from here there. Okay, and thanks for watching this video. And if you are getting any some error or any issue, you can or if you have any query, you can comment in my videos, and I will definitely answer you, and I will definitely support you. So for this time, thanks for watching this video, and please you can subscribe my channel. Oh, thank you.